Are you stuck with a backlog of printers? This is a brief tutorial on how to empty the Windows 11 printer queue. Press Windows plus R keys together to open Run dialog box. Type services.msc in the Run box and hit the Enter key to open Services app. In the Services app, locate Print Spooler Service and right-click on it. Then, click Stop from the context menu as shown below. Once the printer spooler service is stopped, press Windows plus E keys together to open File Explorer. Then, copy and paste the below given path in the address bar of the File Explorer. Siege Windows South System 32 spoolie printers. If you get a warning window saying you don't currently have permission to access this folder, then click Continue button to proceed and get permission permanently. Once the folder is open, press Ctrl plus A keys together to select all the files in that folder. Then press Shift plus Delete keys together and hit Enter key to permanently delete all the files in the folder. Now you can see that this folder is completely empty. Now go back to Services app, locate Printer Spooler Service, and right-click on it. Then, click Start from the context menu to start this service. Close both File Explorer and Services app. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.